Okay, finally. I tell you, painting and mods and window dressing took forever. Finally gonna build this thing. So I got the walls put together, set it up in my squaring jig. And the squaring jig is only going to do so much. It'll basically prevent it from being a parallelogram. It'll keep it nice and rectangular. And then, let's see here. The added rubber bands here. About every other floor. And I'm getting a nice tight connection with these. Zoom in here. Getting a nice, look at that, nice tight connection with these corners here. Definitely don't want any gaps there. Don't want the light coming through. Just want it to look nice, like it's supposed to, like solid brick corners there. So I got it all squared. Got the rubber bands in place. So I am ready to do final gluing on this. So let's get to it. Next, I have the penthouse slash elevator machinery room all set up in the squaring jig, ready to be glued. And then it's to be installed on the building. And I will be using the same rubber band technique. And since I cut down on this building on the top here, we're going to need to cut down the roof for it. Well, that only took 6 parts, but we finally got this building together. And now that we got it together, we can start detailing this bad boy. I think I'm going to start with the awnings, so stop on by as we put the awnings on it, and we'll get it on. All right, see you then.